I'm Dan Ungaro with Soundscape Car Audio in Plano, Texas. Today we're going to talk about how to hook up an illumination wire to an aftermarket car stereo. The illumination wire in a vehicle is to let the radio know that the parking lights are on. This dims the display on the radio so that when your headlights are on, then it knows that it's dark out there, so your display needs to dim so it's not blaring in your face while you're driving. Chances are, if you're putting an aftermarket radio in and you want that feature to work, you'll be using a harness like this. Typically, it's going to be an orange wire. There's some other dimmer wires and whatnot but the basic one is going to be your straight orange wire. And on the back of the radio, you want to connect that, again, right to the orange wire. The way that you can test this, and if you don't have a harness like this and you need to identify your illumination wire, you use your trusty voltmeter, and when the lights are off, it's going to be at either ground or no voltage, and then when you turn the parking lights on, then it'll go to 12 volts, and that's the wire that you're going to want to make your connection to. So that's how an illumination wire works with an aftermarket car stereo. I'm Dan Ungaro with Soundscape Car Audio.